Fastener rubber washers deteriorating, causing leaks, is a sneaky problem that can wreck your home if you don't catch it early. So, here's the lowdown on keeping those rubber washers in check. First off, check your washers every 6 months because they wear out faster than you think, especially if they're exposed to sun or harsh weather. When you spot cracks or flattening, swap them out right away to avoid leaks. Make sure you get the right size and type of washer for your fasteners. Using cheap or wrong ones is just asking for trouble. Clean the area around the washer before putting in a new one so dirt and grime don't mess up the seal. Don't over-tighten the fasteners because that can crush the washer and cause leaks too. If you're dealing with outdoor stuff like gutters or siding, UV-resistant washers are a smart pick since they last longer. Keep a small stash of extras handy so you're ready when something goes south. Lastly, if you're unsure about doing it yourself, don't hesitate to call a pro to avoid bigger headaches. One of the biggest issues with fastener rubber washers is using the wrong washer size, which leads to poor sealing and leaks. Always double-check your measurements before buying replacements. Another common mistake is ignoring the washers until you see water damage, but by then it's often too late, so regular inspections are key. Lastly, over-tightening screws damages the washers and makes leaks worse. Tighten just enough to hold things snug without squashing the washer. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with repairs like this. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more gigs, it's a solid platform to connect with people who need your skills.